Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friend, my name is Umar Malik and this is video about on-page SEO top 10 tips and tricks. Search engine optimization or SEO is a basically backbone of your website or blog. If you wanting to succeed today in internet world, when a new website is born, no one in the world knows that it come into existence unless told them directly or via free source search engines. But search engines have billions of websites to tackle with a so your blog or website may have not given importance at all. So you have to tweak your blog so that search engines love your blog and show it on the first or second page of the search results. Guru says that content is king, but without search engine optimization the king is nothing. Content and SEO have 50-50 share in blog or a website success. So after writing some killer articles, it's very important that you also promote your articles. SEO is not the name of the big things that revolutions your blog. It's a name of little things which result in boosting your website traffic rapidly and steadily. Here I have collected 10 awesome SEO tips which will boost your WordPress blog or website traffic and ranking. Number 1 is that make your site load faster. Search engines always like websites which loads faster and can't create any sort of problem for them. As in internet grows and DSL speeds and bandwidth increases, websites gets heavier and heavier due to various functions and content they want to share with their audience. But one thing is common between search engines, bots and humans that they both dislike sites which take a long time while loading. So every webmaster should try to decrease its blog website loading time by doing some tweak mentioned below. Every image size must be less than 30 KB. CSS style sheet size less than 10 KB. Never use flash content. Always use less plugins for your blog. Use fast web hosting service provider. Try to avoid JavaScript code. Install WP Super catchy plugin for your page catching. Number 2 thing is that remove duplicate content. Do you know that your WordPress blog creates duplicate pages and hence duplicate content by default? So question arises here that what is content duplication? First thing, you should also know that search engines hate duplicate content on same website. So it's very necessary to remove duplicate content so that your blog will never penalized by search engines. WordPress create pages like different version of home pages, category pages, archive pages and comments pages. These are pages with duplicate content and no value to your blog. So you need all-in-one SEO plugin for WordPress in order to make these pages non-accessible to search engines. All-in-one SEO plugin for WordPress adds no index and no follow attribute to these pages and hence search bots will not index these pages into search results. Third thing is that to add title, keywords and description. Whether you create website via HTML or PHP or create your own blog on WordPress, you have to make sure that each and every post page of your blog website must contain title, keywords and description attributes at the header section of your blog website. It's very easy to add these attributes into HTML PHP website. Simply copy page attributes value given below between the head section of your web page code. If you are using WordPress blog, then all you have to do is download and install all-in-one SEO plugin for WordPress and these options will appear at the bottom of each post. You also have to enable this plugin via settings and then by clicking on all-in-one SEO link.